Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 15th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the subtropical jet and also the northern tropical jet as well. You can see the subtropical jet moving through the eastern Pacific, through Mexico, across the Gulf Coast states, all the way across Florida, and then well out into the north central tropical Atlantic. You can see the other, the northern branch of the tropical jet moving through Canada, all the way down into portions of the Great Lakes region, across the northeast, and then out into the northern tropical Atlantic as well. Like I said, we got a high pressure ridge out west. That's what's funneling this system around the high pressure ridge and bringing it over the Great Lakes and portions of the Tennessee and Ohio River valleys. And also the subtropical jet also is producing some activity as well. Expect a line of showers and storms to push eastbound later this, toward the Friday time frame and moving to Saturday. Could be a few strong thunderstorms possible across Georgia and the Carolinas, maybe Florida as well. We will continue to watch that, but right now nothing highlighted in the Storm Prediction Center outlooks at this time. Alrighty, pretty much the remainder of the tropics looks quiet. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got snow up here in portions of South Canada, stretching through northern Michigan, also Minnesota, also northern Wisconsin, much of Michigan, down in Indiana, portion of Kentucky, also eastern Tennessee through West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York State, up here around Lake Superior, Lake Huron area, and also around Toronto, Canada region as well. Showers down here across South Florida, including the Gulf of Mexico, Atlantic coastal water, and that's where northwest Bahamas, and also down toward the Florida Keys. Then we got snow reported in Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, mixed precipitation there as well, stretching into South Canada, a little bit over in Washington State, a little bit of freezing rain in eastern Washington State. We got showers elsewhere across Washington, northwestern Oregon, coastal waters of the Pacific, and a little bit in southwestern Canada as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, here's a look at your Friday forecast. You can see we got snow over here in portions of South Canada, stretching through Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, Kansas, and Nebraska and South Dakota region. A little bit down in Arizona and New Mexico. We got thunderstorms and showers from Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, also in Alabama. Then the Gulf of Mexico. A little bit of shower activity along portions of the southeastern Gulf of Mexico to Florida Keys, northwest Bahamas. Then showers stretching from the portions of Florida, Georgia, western South Carolina to West Virginia, back to Kentucky, southern Missouri, Arkansas region. And then from Missouri all the way over towards portions of New York State, southeast Canada, stretching down into portions of western North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia area. Mixed precipitation up to Michigan as well. Some freezing rain over portions of Tennessee, Virginia region also. Snow over northern Michigan, southeast Canada, stretching into northern Wisconsin, northern Minnesota, northeast North Dakota, and also some snow across South Canada around Lake Huron to Lake Superior area as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, you can see here we got some winter storm warnings up here, portion of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, winter weather advisories there as well, stretching up the Ohio, portion of Pennsylvania, also in the portion of New York State. We have some lake effect snow warnings in effect right along the coastal areas there as well, special weather statements in portion of Michigan, Wisconsin, also down toward areas of New Mexico, West Texas. Red flag warnings still continue for South California, also with that wildfire going there. Also we have air quality alerts down in portions of South California from that wildfire as well. A little bit further north, some frost advisories there as well. Also we have some special weather statements for Georgia. Also the river flood warnings still continue for portion of Arkansas, eastern Texas, western Louisiana. High wind warnings up here in Montana, high wind watches in southeastern areas of Wyoming. And also we have some dense fog advisories in a portion of Washington State, air stagnation advisory for Oregon and Idaho region as well. Alright, we got the small craft advisory, gale warning stretching from Maine all the way to the South Carolina coast, then around the Florida Keys, Louisiana coast to the east coast of Texas, and also down in the portion of North California of the Washington State as well. Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Small craft advisory around the area of Alaska. Winter weather advisory, winter storm watches in effect for a portion of Alaska as well. Alright, here's the Storm Prediction Center outlook for just general thunderstorms at this time, stretching from near Alexandria to Jackson to Greenville to Little Rock to Memphis, Jackson, Mobile, and New Orleans area. Just some general thunderstorms expected there. Would not rule out a severe thunderstorm warning there as well, as that developing area of low pressure will ride up toward the Ohio Valley, dragging a cold front in towards the southeastern U.S. Alrighty, and let's take a look at the winter storm forecast for next week. If you have not checked out my video earlier this week from the model runs, I think it was Monday I did it, check it out. And some of the models still showing a possible winter storm for next Tuesday through at least about Wednesday, maybe even Thursday. We have about a 10 to 30% chance stretching from Texas to Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, up toward southeastern Virginia, even in the coastal waters, a little bit up along the Great Lakes region. Then we have a 30 to 50% chance of a winter storm going on in portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, portions of Alabama, portions of east central and southeast Georgia, much of South Carolina, and also southeastern North Carolina for a probability of a winter storm. So, alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I will keep you up to date on any severe weather for this weekend, and also the potential for a winter storm next week as well. We'll keep you up to date on that as well. I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday evening. Take care. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.